Today we are just going to see what is meant by utility based agent. So before getting to the topic of what is meant by utility based agent, we are just going to see the difference between utility based agent and goal based agent. Goal based agent decides its action based on goal, whereas utility based agent decides its action based on utilities. Make a note, based on utility it decides its action. Goal based agents are more flexible, whereas utility based agents are less flexible. Goal based agents are less faster, whereas utility based agents are more faster. Goal based agents are not enough to generate high quality behavior in most environment, whereas utility based agents are enough to generate high quality behavior in most environment. Goal based agent cannot specify the appropriate trade-off, whereas utility based agent can specify the appropriate trade-off. Goal based agents are less safer, whereas utility based agents are more safer. We consider taxi driver robot, say for an example, taxi driver robot as an example, to entirely understand the difference between goal based agent and utility based agent. Let me take this, okay? A goal based agent will consider a particular way to reach the destination, although some sophisticated way to reach the destination which are not considered. On the other hand, a utility based agent will consider the best one through the utility function. It can achieve through utility function. If there is a conflict between goals, the utility function specifies the appropriate trade-off, and that's what the difference. So let me see another example. Suppose we have start state S. The state has three possible state successor, A, B and C. Say for an example, A, B and C. The agent check each state one by one. If one of them is a goal state, it's end there. If not, it must remember that it already explored A, B and C. Then the agent select A. A has two child states, D and E. The agent checks if D and E are goals. If not, then it switches to B and tests for goal state for the children of B. If no goal is found, it goes to C and checks C's children. If no goal is found, it selects D and checks D's children. It continues like this until finding a goal state. If there are multiple goal states, this method finds a first one depending on the order of the search, and this is what goal based agents approach is going to be. When come to utility based, we have start the same start state S with the three children. The agent adds the children to a special kind of queue. This queue pops the element with the highest utility value. The agent pops the first element of the queue and check if it is a goal state. If not, it will get its children and add them to the queue. Then it pops the next element of the queue. Next element queue, which is nothing but which has the highest utility value, and continues until finding a goal state. Reaching the first goal state does not guarantee that this is the best goal state, but the first one reached. So this is what the difference, how the difference between the approaches of between goal state and the utility based agent. So we come to know what is meant by utility based agent. So with this example, so utility based agent is one of the categories of intelligent agent, is known as utility based agent, which is a step above goal based agent. So which is step above the goal based agent. The utility based agent makes its decision based on which one is the most pleasing or the most effective at achieving a goal. The agents which are developed having their end users as building blocks are called utility based agents. You come to know, right? Developed having their end users as building block are called the utility based. When there are multiple possible alternatives in utility based, then to decide which one is best, for that we are using utility based agents are used. Sometimes achieving the desired goal is not enough. we may look for a quicker, safer, cheaper trip to reach a destination. As I said earlier in goal-based agent, so to reaching a GPRS, to reaching a one place to another, this kind is used. In order to achieve a quicker, safer, cheaper, we are just using the utility-based agents can be used. For decision and action to be taken further happiness of the agent is taken into account. Every decision is marked by the attribute of maximizing utility, and that is determined by how happy the agent is at the every point. So this is what the main point we need to consider here, how happy the agent is. So whatever the agents we have seen so far, right, this term is not included, this term is not considered. They just want to achieve the goal, that's it. So here the main point what we need to consider and why it is stands above all these previous reflex agent, right? This indicates how happy the agent at the every point. This is what the utility based agent is always keen on, how happy the agent is. So it is similar to, we know, goal based agent, but provide an extra component of utility measurement which make them different by providing a measure of success at given state. Not only focus on goals, but also the best way to achieve the goal. As I said earlier, how happy, which comes under the category of best way to achieve the goal. It is useful when these are multiple possible alternatives and an agent has to choose in order to perform the best action. The utility function maps each state to a real number to check how efficiently each action achieves the goal. So there is a function, as I said earlier, right, there will be a function. That function maps to each numbers to check whether how well it is achieving the goal, how efficiently it achieves the goal. Each and every action it going to track with this function. So let me see the diagrammatic representation for this utility based agent. As I said in the previous diagrammatic representation, it is also have a state, how world evolves, what action do, utility, there comes goal, here it comes utility. So utility means it consider a utility function, and that function maps to each and every action how efficiently it plays, how happy the agent is. That is considered here in case of utility based agent. So as usual, through environment it perceives the information, and through sensors it going to think what the world is like now. So how it is through the state of information it is going to think, and what action. So if it is a particular problem, or action A, what it will going to be. So that while the world evolves, so keeping all those informations, what action do, so all those informations there going to be, and based on that the second action A will get appear. And here it's very thing, how happy I will be in such a state. This is very much important here in utility based agent, as I said earlier, how happy. So based on the informations by action A, how happy it's going to be, that is need to be considered here in utility based, and based on that information, based on the utility function, it's going to be mapped, and what action I should do now. So based on that activators, based on that information, activators will play through environment, through action. That's what about utility based agent. Thank you.